Hi, I'm Pastor Mike Wigan. This is your devotion and update for the 13th of June 2024 for Faith Evangelical Lutheran Church. Maybe you were aware, maybe not, that your pastors and many of the teachers from our congregation attended the district convention of the Northern Wisconsin District of the Wisconsin Evangelical Lutheran Synod this past Tuesday and Wednesday. Maybe you have no idea what that means. It's something we're required to do every couple of years, and yes, there's housekeeping and paperwork and satisfying the constitution and requirements of our church body. But again, it struck me as one of those times when we get to stand back and appreciate what God does beyond the walls of our congregation. Let me share a few things with you that I learned at the convention this year. I knew we had a lot going on in world missions, but the fact that we are currently training over 400 national pastors and seminary students beyond our walls here at Faith and beyond our work in the United States of America, you just have to stop and say, wow, to put it in perspective. That's larger than the entire student body of our Wisconsin Lutheran Seminary in Mequon. A reminder to me that actually very nearby in Plymouth, Wisconsin, we're doing a mission restart to help bolster that congregation again and get things going. A reminder that in Marquette, Michigan, we opened one of the first home missions in our district, in the Northern Wisconsin District, in quite a few years, and the work there is going very well. So thankful again as we looked, yes, at those numbers and finances, but to see how richly God has blessed our church body, which maybe you don't remember, but a little more than a decade ago was going through some very serious financial struggles. So much to be thankful for. And I wanted to share that with you this morning. And as I do, I think of the words of Paul from 1 Thessalonians chapter 1. And here's what he says. He says, "We always thank God for all of you, mentioning you in our prayers. We continually remember before our God and Father the work produced by faith, your labor prompted by love, and your endurance inspired by hope in our Lord Jesus Christ." I would ask you to remember in your prayers and to give thanks to God for your brothers and sisters beyond the walls of this congregation in our Northern Wisconsin District, in our Wisconsin Evangelical Lutheran Synod, and in our sister synods and church bodies throughout the world. God is doing an amazing work, and He's privileged us to be part of it. And God bless you richly in the week ahead.